Hello kids, welcome back. We are drawing a flower from different Play-Doh. Here it is sky blue color, yellow color, purple color, orange color, white color. Let's start drawing. We will draw the flower using this Play-Doh. You also do the same practice. Wow, just you can use like this a marker. Yeah, this is okay. We have a scissor. You can use with your permission of parents. Yeah, this is the first part. This is another orange color. Sky blue color. This white color. Yes, place it here. Yes, purple color. Yes, so place it here. We are drawing a beautiful flower. Yes, so our flower is complete. This is the stem, and here is the part. Do you like this flower? If you like, do the same practice. You can also color this area with some sky blue colors. Like here, you can do if you want. I want to allow it like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.